Hey guys, so as I told you in a previous video, I'm going to show you how to make your own custom nail polish. All you need is a bottle of clear polish. I just got this at Dollar Tree. I didn't really want to spend the money. It's just a lot of money. It's just clear nail polish. You're going to need some kind of a spatula. I've had this for a long time. I don't even remember where I got it because I've had it for so long, but some makeup stores sell things like this, or sometimes you can get them online. Just type in metal spatula and you can get them in different sizes. I have a smaller one too. And then the pigment that I'm going to use is the Mauve-Red-Orange-Yellow Chameleon pigment from Just Pigments. And this is one of the ones I was telling you about that is not safe for cosmetic use, so I'm going to make a nail polish with it because I don't want to waste it, and I can't use it for eyeshadow or lipstick or blush or anything, so why not use it to make a nail polish? So this is one of their chameleon pigments, so it's multi-chrome. It's supposed to be 4 shades, and I'm just trying to get it down, most of it down towards the bottom, so that when I open it, I don't have as much stuff going up in the air going poof. Yeah, you don't want to breathe this in if you can help it. Alright, so I'm just going to open up the nail polish. And we're going to set this down and open up the envelope carefully, very carefully. And I'm going to dip my spatula in the envelope, and I've got paper towels down because this will stain the tablecloth. It's just an inexpensive tablecloth, but still, you know, I don't want to wreck it, so I'm going to just put this much, try to put it, and you know, of course it doesn't go in that easily because the opening is so small. And I don't really know how much I'm gonna need. Just gonna put some in. I'm going to take a napkin and try to knock some of this off the bottle so that it won't get all over my hands. Okay. I'm going to put the cover back on. And I'm going to shake it up. Now, when you first put it in there, it is going to clump up. But give it a good shake and then it will mix with the clear polish. And I think I'm going to need more. So you can kind of tell by the opacity of the mixture All right, I think that might be enough. So I'm gonna put the cover back on and shake it up some more. It's kind of like, you know, mixing paint, like at the paint store. You know how they custom design paints and they put it on that machine where it mixes and mixes and mixes. Oh, that's really pretty. I have a light on this thing that I'm filming with. Let's put this on. Let's see if I can show you the color better. Oh, that's pretty. It's like a burgundy, but I can see. Okay, so it's supposed to be Mauve-Red-Orange-Yellow. I see red, yellow. Yeah, mauve. Yeah, I'd see it. I see all four colors. Oh boy. Oh, this is going to be pretty. It's too bad that I just did my nails recently, because I would like to see what this is going to look like on one of my nails. I have an idea. Let me go get something that I can swatch this on. Okay, so I have Sally Hansen Extreme Wear in Blackout. So we're gonna do a swatch of this, and we're gonna let it dry. So I'll shut the camera off while it's drying and come right back. Okay, so that swatch is almost dry, but I just wanted to show you that we still have all this left, even though we dumped tons of this. And this is the sample size. So if you are ordering from Just Pigments and you order a sample, you're gonna have tons of pigment to play with, to do all kinds of things with it. But in this case, you can't use it for cosmetics. But I think this is going to be really pretty. All right, so that black swatch must be dry now. So let's put some of this on top and see what happens. Oh yeah, that's pretty. That is so pretty. This light that I have here is detachable, so I'm gonna take it off. If I can unscrew it here. Wow, that is really pretty. Okay, so if you don't have a spatula, maybe you can just find some other very small thing that you can substitute if you don't want to buy one. But really, all you need is a pigment and the clear nail polish, and shake it up real good. But that's it, you guys. That's how you can make a nail polish using pigment. And this is going to look even prettier, like in natural light out in the sunlight. Beautiful. Bye. Thanks for watching.